Today's news channel has the following news. A woman convicted of attempted murder in Connecticut has been sentenced to 20 years in prison.
Michelle Troconis was sentenced to 20 years in prison for helping her boyfriend kill. Wife Jennifer Dulos disappeared on May 24, 2019, and her body was never found. Her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, committed suicide after being charged with murder. Michelle Troconis, during her closing arguments in her criminal trial in Stamford.
For years, we searched for her remains, tracking down every lead.
On February 27th. Michelle Troconis, the girlfriend of a luxury home builder charged in the 2019 disappearance and death of her boyfriend's estranged wife, has been found guilty of attempted murder by a Connecticut jury. The case revolves around Jennifer Dulos, a mother of 5, who disappeared on May 24, 2019.
Friend who sat down with NBC's Dateline before he was charged with murder and later died by suicide.
Fotis, did you have anything to do with Jennifer's disappearance?
I did not, but I'd like to leave it at that.
She was in the midst of a divorce and custody battle with her ex-husband, Fotis Dulos. During that time, Michelle Troconis and Fotis Dulos were in a relationship. Troconis was also convicted of tampering with evidence and hindering prosecution in connection with the murder of Jennifer Dulos. Notably, Jennifer's body has never been found and a judge declared her dead in October. Fotis Dulos, Troconis' boyfriend, has been charged with felony murder, kidnapping, and other crimes in the case before his death in January 2020. At the time, he was under house arrest after posting a $6 million bail. His suicide occurred at his home in Farmington, west of Hartford, and he died 2 days later. A close friend of Fotis Dulos, Ted Mawini, was also charged with attempted murder in connection with Jennifer Dulos' death.
It never precludes a judge who's considering a matter to reconsider that matter, so that simply does not apply. And with regard to the Ellison case that's cited at footnote 1 of the state's memorandum, I will just note, I read that last night. Not only is it not controlling, I would submit it's irrelevant. In that case, there were 2 separate agreements among gang members, one to beat up a third party and the other to have sex with a 14-year-old girl. And they said clearly that was 2 separate conspiracies. They were not the same. That's the only case the state cites. I know I cited cases that deal directly with issues such as murder, other violent crimes, and then efforts to cover it up. And every one of those cases says, and unless there was a federal case where it was months later, that that's part of the same conspiracy. Therefore, based on that, I ask the court to find that there was only one conspiracy and issue vacatur, however it's pronounced, to vacate the other 2 conspiracy counts. Thank you.